All right, let's jump into this problem. So let's start off with the top. And for the top, what I'm going to do is just rearrange the top. So I'm going to have 2.1 times 2 times 10 to negative 3 times 10 to 5. So the commutative property allows me to do that, so I can rearrange the multiplication there. 2.1 times 2 going to simply be 4.2. So if that's 4.2, I'm going to have 10 to negative 3 times 10 to the 5th. Now, looking at this, if we do a little quick recall, let me just switch up my colors. If I have a to m times a to n using the laws of exponents, this is simply going to be a to m plus n. So this is going to be 4.2 times 10 to 2, because negative 3 plus 5 is simply going to be equal to 2. All right, so this is my top. So with my top now, I'm going to have 4.2 times 10 to 2 divided by 7 times 10 to negative 4. So what I'm going to do, firstly, let me just use a different color here. These two, I'm going to use the law of exponent again. I'm going to use a to m divided by a to n. I know this is going to be a to m minus n. So I'm going to divide also 4.2 by 7. That's going to give me simply 0.6 times 10. 2 minus negative 4. So I'm going to have 0.6 times 10 to 6. So notice here the result is 6 times 10 to n. So what I'm simply going to do to move the decimal place one place to the right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to separate this. So this is going to be 0.6 times 10 times 10 to 5. So notice here this is going to be 10 to 5, and if this is 10 to 5, this 10 going to move this decimal place one place to the right, so that I'm going to get 6 times 10 to 5. As a result, my n simply going to be equal to 5.